question number 4 is, if universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, then verify that. So first question of verification is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First of all, we will find A union B. For A union B, set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Union means we have to write every element one time. 2 is there 2 times, but we will write only 1 time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Now A union B complement. Complement means universal set minus A union B. Universal set is here and A union B is here. So we will do universal set minus A union B. It means we have to write the element which is only present in universal set. They are not present in A union B. So first I will write the elements of A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A union B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will find the element which is only present in universal set. So 1 is only in universal set, 2 is in both set, 3 is in both set, 4 is in both set, 5 is in both set, 6 is in both set, 7 is in both set, 8 is in both set, 9 is present only in universal set. So 1 and 9, these are the two elements of A union B complement. Now come to right side. A complement intersection B complement. First of all, we will find A complement and B complement separately. For A complement, set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now A complement is equal to universal set minus set A. It means we have to write the only element which is present in universal set, not in set A. Start from here. 1, 2 is present in both set, 3 here, 4 is present in both set, 5, 6 is present in both set, 7, 8 is present in both set, 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is A complement. Now B complement. B complement, for that we will write set B here. It is 2, 3, 5, 7 and universal set here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So B complement is equal to universal set minus set B. It means we have to write the element which is only present in universal set, not in set B. Let's start with 1. 2 is present in both. 3 is present in both. 4. 5 is present in both. 6. 7 is present in both. 8. 9. So B complement is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now our question is A complement intersection B complement. Intersection means we have to find the common elements between A complement and B complement. So common is 1, 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is not common, 9. 4 is not common, 6 is not common, 8 is not common. It means 1 and 9. 1 and 9. A complement intersection B complement is 1 and 9, and A union B complement is 1 and 9. It means A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement is equal to A1 9. Here is the solution of first question. Let's see second one. So second part is A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. First we will find A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to write the common elements between set A and set B. 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Common elements 2. That's it. There is no other common elements. 4 is not common, 6 is not common, 8 is not common, 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is not common. Only 2 is common. So A intersection B is equal to set of 2. Now A intersection B complement is equal to universal set minus A intersection B. It means we will write the only element which is available in set of universal set, but not in A union A intersection B. We can see only 2 is available in A intersection B. It means we can write other elements of universal set 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A intersection B complement, because these elements are only present in universal set, not in A intersection B. Now come to A complement. In the previous question we already find out A complement. It was 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now B complement. Again in the previous question we already found that what is B complement. It was 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now we will write A complement union B complement. Union means we have to write all the element of A complement and B complement one time. Let's start with 1. 1, 3, 3 both sides, but we will write one time. 4, 4 is here. 5 is here. 6 is here. 7, 8 is here and 9 is in both, so we will write one time only 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you will see here, A intersection B complement is same. It means we can say A intersection B complement is equal to A intersection A complement union B complement. It is proved here. LHS is equal to RHS. Or you can say A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the solution of part 2. I hope you like the video and this video will help you in your solution. If you like the video, press the like button, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you. Have a nice day.